How to fix Instagram account disabled for no reason. In this video I will show you how to fix and solve this problem on your Instagram, so just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now and first go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps or applications. Here, as you see, will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just search only for Instagram. When you found it, click on it like this, and then what you should do, you have to go to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what you should do, you have to restart your phone. After this, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.